Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make very beautiful sleeve design. Let's start. As I showed in my previous video how to make design with different stitches of the machine. Today I gonna continue and utilize those designs to design a sleeve. First of all, I'm selecting one stitch of them and making 3 lines at an equal distance of 6 inches. After that, we're gonna remove the paper that we use it for the batter finishing. I'm attaching ribbon to the back side so that after turning it will come in front. Now it's time to attach the cuff that I already made it in my last video. I hope you guys enjoy watching that. Now it's time to add ribbon on the other side of the cuff. Now attach the cuff with the sleeves. This is the final look of the sleeves. I hope you enjoy watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Have a great day.